This dance is called Lost in Your Eyes. 32 count, 2 walls. It's an improver level line dance. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, nightclub step to the right. Step, close your left, next to right, with a cross. Move your left the side, behind, side, 1/8 to your left, with a sweep, rock, recover, half turn, walk, walk. Section 1 with the counts. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2, step your right forward, lift up your left. Step right forward, lift up your left. Step your left down, step your right back. Hook, left over right. And step your left down with 3/8 turn. 3/8 turn. And your right point to the side, drag in for 2 counts. And make an end step to your right. Okay, so section 2 with the count. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 3 is a diamond step. Make a quarter to your right. Quarter, 1/8 to your right. Step back, back, and 1/8 to the right again. Another 1/8 to your right. Step forward, forward. A 1/8 to the right with a nightclub step. Side, close, cross. Step your right to the side and tap your left behind right. Okay, so now section 3 with a count. You are facing here, 3 o'clock. So with the count will be 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Last section, make a half turn to your left, weight remaining on your right. You make a half turn, weight remain on your right. You step your left down, hitch, step back your right with a sweep, step back left with a sweep, rock, recover, walk, walk. So last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and